Let's see about that. Well, it doesn't look terrible. It'll look better on, at least I hope. All right. So hi everyone. What I am working on right now is accessories for a llama that I have purchased a pattern for on Etsy. One of my good friends is obsessed with llamas. She has llamas all over her house, and I thought what better way of to thanking her. She's a doc at one of our local hospitals during this whole quarantine thing, and so she's working tireless hours and doing all she can and doing amazing work. So I am making her a llama. So I have already finished the llama. This is what she looks like. Of course, it's a girl. My friend's favorite color is blue, so I have blue eyes on her. I put eyelashes. I'm not 100% happy with the shape of the head. Now, the pattern that I took it from looks a lot better. It's more than likely that I added 2 rows that I shouldn't have because I counted wrong. But again, I'm still learning. So what I'm gonna do is, even though I call her Laila the Llama, and even though Laila is, you know, cute the way she is, I wanted to add a couple of things to her. So we're gonna start with a simple blanket that just goes around her midsection here. And this one is just a normal, like a scarf kind of thing. I had this extra tail here that I really liked and I wanted to kind of incorporate. And unfortunately, I put the pom-pom on before I put this in place. So it's gonna be on that side. I think it'll look fine. But you know, it's really pretty colors. So I've already tied it on her once. So I'm gonna just slide it back on her. I wanted to make sure it fit. Move her tail out of the way. And there is the little blanket. I love the little pom-pom, and you know, I added little tassels to the bottom of it. I just think it looks really cute. And again, I love the colors. This is one of my favorite colors. And again, it incorporates the blue and just a little bit of pink, because why not? All right, so next we are going to add a scarf. So the pattern that I took this from didn't have a pom-pom with the scarf, but I thought it added a little bit to it. So this is an infinity scarf. It's just basically a whole bunch of chains and then some regular double crochets across it. So I'm looping it, putting it back over its head, and then making so it kind of lays naturally. And I just, like I said, I think the pom-pom just kind of adds a little bit. I attached the pom-pom using hot glue, which worked well, and it should stay in place. So there's the infinity scarf with the pom-pom. I think that looks cute. And again, incorporating the blue and the pink just to add in a little touch. So she looks pretty good, but we're not done yet. Next, the pattern had a really cute beanie with another pom-pom on the top, and I added a bow on the side. So these are the ear holes. I've never made a beanie before, not even for humans. So this is kind of a cool thing. I'm gonna get the ears worked in there. There we go. I just tied the bow on, hot glued the pom-pom, and there is the beanie. I think it looks cute. It matches the rest of the colors, but we're not done yet. There's one more element that I think will just make this over the top. So to give Laila, our little llama, the finished look, we're gonna add some cute little glasses. So what I've done is I've made it so it opens on this side, and I'm gonna hook them right into some of those stitches there to kind of keep it in place. Now again, this is going to an adult. She does not have children, so I feel safe that she should not have any issues with you know, the glasses and stuff. If I was making this for a kiddo, I would not put these on it unless the kiddo was older and more responsible. I know with my 4-year-old, I would not put these on there. And there you go. There are the little glasses that make the whole outfit. And this is Laila the Llama. I hope you'd enjoy my video. Please subscribe and don't forget to follow and like my channel and check out my website for other fun creations that I've been doing. Have a wonderful evening or day and happy quarantining. Bye-bye.